Hello guys and welcome back to the channel again. First of all, I'm so sorry I didn't post for the last 5 days, and it was because of the Eid celebration that we had in Morocco, so I had to spend some time with my family for the last days. So going directly to today's title and today's concept, which will be how to set up TradingView. So basically, as you know, this series are for complete beginners that doesn't know anything at all about trading. So in order to explain what is TradingView is a platform where we can make analysis on the charts and view charts in real time, different charts, either indices, forex, futures, or any other assets like stocks or maybe anything. You can see it in TradingView. TradingView is one of the main platforms where you can watch charts for free. So majority of traders use it. So basically we had to explain how to set up it on your computers because you'll be a little annoyed when you're trying to set it up for the first time because it's a little complicated. So go into one of the browsers that you have, just choose any browser, just type TradingView, very normal like this on Google. Wait, let me write it on the like this, and you'll see this one, tradingview.com. Choose this one. After you enter this website, you'll find this dashboard in front of you. You go directly to click on this button saying get started for free. So basically you click get started for free and click here. Don't choose any plan yet from the paid plans, just sign up for free. So basically here, create an account. So let me create an account and come back to you. So then after creating your account, you have to choose a username and check this too, and then click next. So as you can see, after creating the account, we can see the logo of your email here, and we have this place where they tell you to choose a plan. So basically, as I told you in the beginning of the video, TradingView is completely free. Not completely, but you can use all the basics and everything for free. You don't need a paid plan if you're a beginner. So now after we have this page, we click on the TradingView logo here, as you can see. Then we go down to check the different assets here, as you can see. So basically we choose Nasdaq for example, and then we click full chart. So like this, we are accessing the charts and the thing that we are working with. So let me repeat it one more time for the people that didn't catch it. So we come back. First of all, after creating your account, you're going to click on this TradingView logo at the top left. Click it like this, and then scroll down until you see the assets like this and choose one. This is one of the many methods to access the chart. So basically choose one like Nasdaq here and click full chart. As you can see here, full chart at the top right, full chart, and there you are accessing your charts. So basically this is how the interface of TradingView looks. First of all, it will look a little complicated to you beginners, but it's very easy. Just don't get demotivated. So let's start by explaining the top left. As you can see here, this is the logo of your account. This is the ticker or the pair that you are trading. Under it, we have the sell and buy buttons that we usually don't use if we trade forex or any other asset. We use it only if we're trading futures or we're trading crypto, like inside TradingView. We have here, as you can see, this D is called the time interval. Like we have the daily, we have the seconds, the minutes, the hours, the days, the months, the weeks, and like everything. For now, let's keep it the daily. Then we have the type of chart here from the many types that we have. For example, we have a chart with bars, and we have one with candles, hollow candles, volume candles, etc. Here we have the indicators that we're gonna break down each one of the main ones in the next videos. Anyway, it's not something that you gotta worry about now. Then we have indicators on plates, alerts, replay tool that is not available unfortunately for the free plan, and we have this back and forth buttons. At the right we have your template saved. We have the quick search, the settings, the full screen mode. This, if you want to take a screenshot of the chart, this is a tool of the screen capture. And here we have button trade and publish that we don't have to worry about as well. Going back to the top left, we have here under the sell and buy button, we have one of the indicators, because it's the only one activated on the chart. Like it's called the volume profile that you can see at the down of the chart. So when I click on this eye, we hide it. So let's keep it for now. Here we have some tools that we can use to make our analysis on the chart. For example, we have the cross, the dot, the arrow, and we have the lines, the ray, the horizontal line, vertical lines, cross lines, etc. For this for these channels and pitchforks, we don't need them for now. Here we have the Fibonacci tool and some other tools that I don't use personally. Here we have the tools for Elliott waves traders, and for the chart patterns ABCD and that crap, I don't use it, to be honest. We have here the long and short position thing, the price range, the gust feed, the bar pattern, etc. We have here the brush, the rectangle, the circles, triangles, arcs. These ones are one of the tools that I use on a daily basis. We have here the text tool and the emojis, the measure, the zoom in, the magnet. The magnet basically keeps the lines stick to the candles, to the body of the candles. And we have here a lock for the drawing and the trash to remove any drawings or indicators on the chart. So basically we're done with the left bar in terms of explanation. Now let's move and let's mark as favorite the ones that I personally use. So basically I use the cross, I use the arrow. So please, if you want to continue with me on this series, please mark as favorites all the ones that I'm marking now. I use the trend line, I use the horizontal line, the horizontal ray, the cross line, the vertical line sometimes. For this third one, I use the Fibonacci retracement only. For these ones, I don't use any one. I use here the long position, short position, price range, date range sometimes, like rarely. For the brush, I don't use it. I use the arrow. I use the arrow maker, the rectangle, the path, the circles, triangle, or let's remove it, the curve, of course. For the text, I use only the text tool, and I guess that's it. So basically, as you can see here, we have a little nice bar, movable, with all the tools that are favorite and that are main that I use. Now, go with me, please, to this time interval and mark the ones that we're gonna be using as favorite. Please mark the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and that's it. So basically, now we don't have to scroll down, we have them all there. For the indicators for now, let's just remove these volume profiles because I don't use them. And I guess that's it for the time interval. For the watch list, let's keep it like this for now. We're gonna add if we need anything in the future. Let's just hide it for now like this. Let's reduce it. Just click on this place and you're gonna reduce it. Now, as you can see, we get a much cleaner chart, but to make it like mine like this, we're gonna have to do some more improvements, starting by the background. Go to settings. For here, for the colors, the body, the borders, the wicks list, just keep them like this for now, red and green, and I'm gonna tell you why in the next days. For here, let's keep everything as it is. For the scales and lines, everything as it is. For the canvas, first of all, you have to go to the grid lines and click none. Let's just remove them and keep our chart clean. For the background, let's make something that's not gonna be too bright for your eyes because you're gonna be staring at the charts for hours. So let's just do a gray or something like this. This is fine, I guess, for now. And for the text, let's keep it 12. For the crosshair, let's make it black like this. For the watermark, we don't need that for now. And for the borders and the wicks, let's just make them black for now so you can see the limits of every candle. Now, one last thing that I'm gonna show you to add to your charts. Let's first remove this. Sorry, give me a moment to change the color of the price line marking. I guess this one, yeah, let's make it black. Now, one thing I'm gonna explain to you is if you wanna change the time interval, you can do it by just from your keyboard. Like you can just click a number, for example, 1, and it's gonna show 1 minute, 5, and it's gonna show 15. If you wanna do the daily, add a D to the number 1. If you wanna do the weekly, you can add a W or an M if you wanna do the monthly. So basically, you can just change time interval just from your keyboard, and that's happening for the symbols as well. For example, we can write just XAOU USD, and it's gonna show gold. And here we go with the gold chart. Or for example, we can write US30, and here we go with the Dow Jones. So I guess this is all for the TradingView primary setup. I'm gonna show you quick things to do in the next videos, but for this, I guess this is all. If you're asking yourself about this alerts and the objects tree and chats, these tools that I didn't explain, just know that they aren't as important. I guess rarely people use them. I don't personally. So what I showed you today is the necessary basics to start, like the time intervals, the background, the tools, the bar that we set with our favorite tools. For the watch list, let's just remove some ones that I don't personally use, like these ones, for example. Let's keep the DXY and the indices. The stocks, let's just hide them. I don't use them for now. For the US oil, gold, silver, keep them. Forex, keep them. Crypto, keep them. And then in the next days, we're gonna add futures. So I guess this is all. We finished the necessary setup, and you're ready to go. So this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. See you tomorrow.